Hello guys, welcome to the next video. Unboxing tayo ngayon. Ito yung bago kong Boya microphone for recording. Kasi gagawa ko ng mga video tutorial. So unboxing tayo guys. So what is inside this box? And so there is so meron siyang what is inside is nandito yung instruction niya, booklet and we have here the warranty. So ito siya ngayon. So ito yung pouch niya. So what is inside is so inside the box, so meron siyang ito yung pouch niya. So what is inside is meron siyang extra earphone. So ito yung ano niya. And what is inside is the 6 meter long wired. Napakahaba nito, so pwede ka pang tumakbo, 6 meters wide. So ito yung bali ito yung ano niya, yung foam niya. So pag tinanggal natin yung foam, ito yung clip niya, nilagay ko na siya. So here, pag tinanggal mo yung foam niya, so bali ito siya guys. So ito yung microphone niya. So ibalik ulit natin siya. So ganun lang siya kasimple. And ito yung pinaka-control niya. So we have here the microphone and camera button, on and off. So yun, on and off mo na siya. And then here's another also a clip. Pin mo siyang isabit, and then just to see what is inside, all you have to do is to unscrew this, and here inside there is a battery. Okay, so be sure just to make sure that before you insert the battery is be aware for the polarity. Here is the positive and the other one is negative. Of course, the positive, as you can see, the battery, the smooth part of this battery, the smooth surface should be the positive polarity, and all you have to do is just to insert here in the hole, press down, and it's automatically inserted. So that's it guys, and subukan ko na rin to. I tried already, the sound is very good. So scroll again. So it's very good sound. Very highly recommended this Boya. So sa mga baguhang YouTuber, this is a highly recommended for you guys. Boya, very good. Price is good, and then quality is good. That's it. So this clip is microphone is it can be used for smartphone, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC, and etc. So this very omnidirectional condenser microphone. So this is high quality condenser. It's ideal for video use. Low handling noise, includes laptop clip, under 44 battery, foam, windscreen, 1/4 adapter. So this is the 1/4 adapter. This one, guys. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing, guys.